National Academy of Medical Sciences 56th Annual Conference organized at AIIMS Raipur. Get ready, 5 seconds, start. On 21st October 2016, a symposium was organized on tobacco or health. Make better choice. Dr. Krishnadatt Chawali discussed in detail about tobacco plant and its harmful chemicals present in it. Dr. Krishnan Anand from AIIMS, New Delhi, discussed harmful effects of tobacco consumption. Dr. Ravi Mehrotra from the National Cancer Institute, Noida, discussed about the illness caused by tobacco consumption. Honorary Secretary of National Academy of Medical Sciences, Dr. Deep Narayan Srivastava, informed the House about how X-ray, CT scan and MRI will help in the diagnosis of tobacco-related illness. Dr. Prasanta Raghav Mohapatra, professor from AIIMS Bhubaneswar, discussed the harmful effects and misuse of e-cigarettes. Professor Dr. Alok C. Agarwal, HOD Orthopedics, highlighted that how tobacco use adversely affect the bone health by predisposing to fractures and delay in its healing. Dr. Sanjeev Misra, Director AIIMS Jodhpur, informed the House about the health dangers of smoking and to what extent its surgical treatment is effective. Professor Dr. Nitin M. Nagarkar, Director AIIMS, informed about the increased risk of oral, head and neck cancer due to non-smoke tobacco consumption and the surgical treatment available for it. Dr. S.P. Dhaneria, HOD Pharmacology and Dean AIIMS Raipur, discussed about the various medications available for management of tobacco dependence. Dr. Lokesh Singh from Department of Psychiatry informed about the importance of counseling and behavior therapy in the management of tobacco dependence. During the inauguration ceremony, Dr. Mukund Joshi, President, National Academy of Medical Sciences, expressed his deep concern over the widespread and excessive consumption of tobacco all over the world, leading to increased morbidity and mortality. He emphasized about the need of public awareness to tackle this problem and reduce consumption in young population. Dr. Nitin M. Nagarkar, in inaugural function, welcomed learned speakers and delegates who have come from all over the country in AIIMS Raipur and informed about the objective of symposium and various scientific deliberation to be covered in next 3 days. On the second day, started with orations on various development in the field of medical science. A symposium on Ayush was also organized to highlight the importance of traditional medicine in the management of diseases and find out the possibility of integrated approach. The participants in symposium on Ayush were Dr. Radheshyam Sharma, Vice Chancellor, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, Rajasthan Ayurved University, Jodhpur, Dr. Shirley Teles, Director, Patanjali Yogpeeth, Haridwar, Dr. G. Gangadharan, Dr. Sanjeev Misra, Director AIMS, Jodhpur, Dr. Surekha Kishore, AIMS, Rishikesh. In afternoon, the convocation was held to confer 20 FAMs, 70 MAMS degrees to medical scientists from all over the country for their outstanding contribution in the field of medicine. In the convocation, Air Marshal Dr. M.S. Boparai was honored with Lifetime Achievement Award by Chief Guest Padma Bhushan Dr. N.S. Loud. Dr. N.S. Loud is an eminent orthopedic surgeon from Mumbai. In his address, and emphasized that Dr. Loud discussed about the importance of need-based research in medical science and emphasized that in addition to government, the private organization should also support this activity for public welfare. He visited the Raipur third time in highly impressed with the infrastructure and development of Chhattisgarh. On the last day of meeting, various speakers presented the orations and an award-winning papers. The important learned speakers who shared their views in conference were Dr. Alema Matthew, Dr. Devbrat Das, Dr. Visevar Bhattachar, Dr. Sanjeev V. Thomas, Dr. O.P. Kalra, Dr. Rajesh Kumar, Dr. Kasinath Prasad, Dr. Sefali Gulati, and Dr. Jugal Kishore. The important dignitaries who chaired the session were Dr. Kamal Bakshi, Dr. Mukund S. Joshi, Dr. Saroj Churamani, Dr. Deep Narayan Srivastav, Dr. Sanjay Wadhwa, Dr. K.K. Sharma, Dr. M.S. Boparai, and Dr. Kuldeep Singh. Professor Dr. Alok C. Agarwal, Joint Organizing Secretary of Conference, informed that this 56th Annual Conference of NAMS is first time organized in Chhattisgarh. At present, there are about 5 MAMS in state, but no FAMS. Such type of meet in Chhattisgarh will promote the excellence in health services and create the atmosphere for quality research. Stop.